your dream, my dream to meet Peter.
What's up,
Finally
guys?
here.
Peter Marco. It's my dream to meet him.
Oh my God, so cool. Come here. Come here. Everybody should come here and check it out, man.
you, brother.
Thank you so much,
Check
Peter.
this out.
All
Yeah,
right.
good to see
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. All right.
care.
Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much. There. I can't see. I wish I could zoom.
एकचोटि सब्सक्राइब गर्दै यसको भनिदिनु न
लु त
भनिदिनु न
हामीले जुन च्यानल तपाईँले हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यसलाई लाइक सब्सक्राइब सेयर के गर्नुपर्ने हो प्लिज गरिदिनु पर्यो हो
Okay.
In like a minute.
What's your name?
Lauren.
Lauren. Why you choose Boston?
It's a great city to be in. It's an awesome college town. And obviously Harvard is amazing.
Awesome. That's so cool. Thank you, Lauren.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
of course.
Have a good
Have a great day.
Good luck for your future. Woo.
So let me show you guys how a helicopter works. Okay, here we got helicopter. So usually the beginner, you use something called R22 helicopter. This is where you're gonna learn. This is usually used for training, but sometimes you use for R44 too, and biggest one is R66. This is one, the expensive one. So usually this is gonna be the biggest and expensive one, right? So just I'm going to show you basic stuff here. So I've got here helicopter here, and obviously, and here's the tail. All right. I don't know, I really don't know how to draw. I messed up. So this is good, right? And something called is cyclic. So this one actually something called cyclic, which is helicopter goes left or right, right? Not only that, depend on here too, right? You have to focus on here and the detail too. This blade also turned by something we call paddle. I mean, it seems like a paddle, cycle paddle. So you use on foot here, and this guy actually affects here to turn left or right. Depends on the aerodynamic system, so you gotta go through that. And this one works, I mean this paddle works with this aerodynamic, and simultaneously with cyclic you use two hands, or I mean not two hands, one hands, and cyclic helps to go up and down, right? And another one something called over here, we have another one we use hand, is called governor. This guy, what it does is helicopter lift ups. If you want to go up or if you want to go down, also this guy actually helps us, right? This guy over here. So also known as